So hi everyone, welcome back to My Way Journey. So yesterday, IVRA Bareilly has officially announced the admission in BBSc in AH degree program for 2025-26. The application will be starting from tomorrow, that is 23rd July 2025. So in this video, we'll discuss about the eligibility criteria for participating in the admission process. So first of all, let me clear you one thing, that student from any state can participate in this counseling and can get admission in IVRA Bareilly in BBSc and AH degree program. So the seats are total 55. So through this IVRA counseling, only 55 seats will be filled and the rest of the seats will be filled through VCI counseling. So the eligibility criteria for applying are, so number one, you should give NEET exam. They have clearly mentioned that the student must give NEET exam in order to participate in this counseling. You must qualify NEET exam. The age limit, minimum age limit they have mentioned is 17 years. So the candidate must attain minimum age of 17 years by this year end. Okay, and also they have mentioned that the candidate should be Indian citizen. You should also have physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology and English as your main subject in your 12th standard, and you should score minimum 50% marks in these subjects. SC/ST students should score minimum 47.5% marks in these subjects. And in case you have any kind of disabilities mentioned on the screen, then you cannot participate in the counseling. The seats will be allotted based on the NEET cutoff, which will be different for different category students. And in case you want to take admission through NRI quota, then you should have these documents with you. These are verified photocopies of NRI or citizenship certificate, your eligibility document, your passport or any other valid document. Along with that, the admission will be based on the merit of 12th examination or equivalent without requirement of appearing for NEET exam. For example, if you are participating through NRI quota, then you do not need to give NEET exam. Based on the merit of 12th exam, you will be given admission. Now note one thing, that the fees will be high for NRI quota student as compared to regular student who is taking admission through VCI counseling or IVRA counseling. Want to know the fees? I've already made a detailed video on that. Link I mentioned in the description. You can go and check it out. The registration will start from tomorrow. So what you have to do is you have to visit to the official website, that is ivra.nic.in. Don't worry, I have mentioned the link in the description. So there you have to visit tomorrow and you have to apply for the counseling. Based on the NEET cutoff, you may or may not get the admission. So that's all. If you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section. I'll try to reply all of them. And that's all. You can follow me on Instagram and Telegram as well. Link I mentioned in the description. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.